I've tested a lot of tech over the years, but this is probably one of the most unexpectedly useful gadgets I've tried recently. These are the Cearvol Wave Hearing Aids, pronounced Cearvol. And what makes them interesting is that they don't just amplify sound, they actually use AI to improve clarity. So instead of everything getting louder and messy, the goal here is to make conversations easier to understand. I wanted to test them in real-life situations to see if they actually deliver on that promise. Right out of the box, the first thing I noticed is how modern they look. They feel more like premium wireless earbuds than traditional hearing aids, which is a big plus in terms of design and confidence while wearing them. They're compact, lightweight, and don't draw too much attention. But what really stands out here is the touchscreen charging case. Instead of relying only on your phone, you can directly control key functions like volume and modes from the case itself, which is something you don't usually see in this category. Another thing worth mentioning early on is that this case also works as a 360-degree remote microphone, which can be very useful in situations like meetings or lectures, where you want to hear someone clearly from a distance. And you also get AUXIN connectivity, which allows you to connect directly to devices like TVs, airplane systems, or gym equipment for a more focused audio experience. Setup is also very straightforward because these are self-fitting OTC hearing aids. That means you don't need to visit a specialist or go through complicated programming. You can literally take them out of the box, put them on, and start using them within minutes, which makes them very accessible for beginners. Putting them on is simple, but it's important to wear them correctly for the best experience. Place them in your ears and twist gently for a comfortable fit. Ensure they feel secure without being too tight or uncomfortable. Once properly fitted, they sit nicely in the ear without feeling bulky. After a few minutes, you almost forget they're there. I personally wore them for several hours during the day, and they stayed comfortable the whole time, which is really important for something designed for daily use. The Cearvol app, available on both the App Store and Google Play, adds a lot of flexibility and control. Once connected, you can easily adjust the volume, switch between different listening modes, and fine-tune the sound depending on your surroundings. For example, you might want a different setting for a quiet room versus a noisy outdoor environment. The interface is clean and user-friendly, so even if you're not very familiar with tech, it's easy to navigate. It feels like the app is designed to simplify the experience rather than complicate it. This is really the core feature of the Cearvol Wave. It uses NeuroFlow AI 2.0, powered by a deep neural network. In practical terms, this means the device is constantly analyzing your environment in real time. It identifies speech, reduces background noise, and enhances the clarity of voices. So instead of everything blending together, you can focus more on conversations. In my experience, this made a noticeable difference, especially in environments where there's a lot of background noise. It felt more natural and less overwhelming compared to basic amplification. There are several features that stand out in daily use. The touchscreen control, whether from the device or case, makes it very easy to adjust volume, switch modes, or manage settings quickly without needing your phone. The 360-degree remote microphone is particularly useful in situations like meetings, lectures, or group discussions, where you want to clearly hear someone speaking from a distance. You also get Bluetooth streaming, so you can listen to music or take calls just like regular wireless earbuds. And the AUXIN connectivity adds even more flexibility, especially for direct audio streaming from TVs, flights, or other devices. Additionally, Cearvol also supports the Auracast feature, which opens up more possibilities for shared and broadcast audio experiences in compatible environments. To really understand how these perform, I tested them in different real-life scenarios. Outdoors, where there's wind and traffic noise, the device managed to reduce distractions while keeping voices clear. In a restaurant setting, where multiple conversations happen at once, it became easier to focus on the person I was talking to. And at home, especially while watching TV, the audio felt clearer and more defined, making it easier to follow dialogue. These are the situations where the AI processing really shows its value. Battery life is another strong point. You can get up to 28 hours of usage with the charging case, which easily covers a full day and more. There's also a quick charge feature where just 15 minutes of charging can give you around 3 hours of use, which is very convenient if you're in a hurry. Combined with the lightweight and ergonomic design, this makes them suitable for all-day wear without worrying about comfort or battery running out too quickly. One of the biggest advantages here is the pricing. Traditional hearing aids can be extremely expensive, but Cearvol offers superior sound quality at an affordable price, starting at $397. This makes it a much more accessible solution for people who need hearing support without spending thousands of dollars. It's important to keep in mind that these are non-programmable self-fitting OTC hearing aids. They are designed for everyday use and convenience rather than advanced medical-level customization. For most people with mild to moderate hearing needs, they should work well, but they're not a replacement for specialized clinical devices in more complex cases. Overall, the Cearvol Wave Hearing Aids offer a very balanced combination of simplicity, comfort, and modern technology. They're easy to use, comfortable for long periods, and the AI features genuinely help improve clarity in everyday situations. If you're looking for an affordable and practical hearing solution that doesn't feel outdated or complicated, these are definitely worth considering. I'll leave both the Amazon link and the official website in the description so you can check them out if you're interested. And as always, thanks for watching.